Good day and welcome to learning exercise 5.42. In this unit we're looking at trig diagrams, but now we're giving you the trig ratio. So here if cos theta equal 3 over 5 and that theta, the angle, is less or equal to 90 and begin equal to 0 degree, determine the values of tan theta, 1.2 sin theta plus cos theta times tan theta plus cot theta. So first we have to know our trig ratios, know which sides are given. So here you should know cos theta is x over r. So by them giving you that trig ratio 3 over 5, they're telling you x is 3 and r is 5. So effectively, depending on our restriction there that's given, x can be plus or negative 3 and my y value can be plus or not y, r. Here my r value, r is always positive, so there I shouldn't still put a negative. R will equal positive 5. So we must find r using theorem of Pythagoras, or not r, y. So take note our restriction 0 to 90, so there's 0 degrees, there's 90, there's 180, there's 270, there's 360. So 0 to 90 falls in first quadrant, 90 to 180 in second quadrant, 180 to 270 third quadrant, and 270 to 360 fourth quadrant. So we take note, we should know the sign of the variable. So in the first quadrant, because my restriction is less than 90 bigger than 0, first quadrant x is positive and y is positive. Right? So restriction in first quadrant, therefore x and y are positive. Note r is always positive. So here to get y, which is the shorter side, will always be the longer side minus the shorter side. So 5 squared minus 3 squared gives me 25 minus 9, which is 16. Y squared can then be plus or minus 16, which then gives me square root of that, gives me y equal 4 or y equal negative 4. In this case can't be negative 4 because we are under first quadrant, so y there is positive. So now to solve tan theta, now we're just testing whether you understand your ratio. Tan is y over x, so y equals 4, x equals 3, done. There's sin theta plus cos theta, so sin is 4 over 5, y over r, cos is x over r, 3 over 5. The side tan theta is 4 over 3 plus 3 over 4. If I simplify, 4 plus 3 gives me 7 over 5. So I can add because the denominators are the same. There I multiply. 4 times 3 gives me 12. 4 times 4 gives me 16. 3 times 3 gives me 9. 16 plus 9 gives me 25. And if I multiply out, I end up with 5 over 12 or 2 and 11 over 12. Alright, so that's solving trig diagrams when the ratio is given. Alright, I hope you understand. All the best. Now, next lesson we will be looking at something more interesting. All the best. God bless.